Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I know you might have just seen me in the last video, but I thought today we'd do something a little bit different. Hopefully this will work out because we're flying by the seat of our pants today. Today I went to the thrift store, and as you can see, this is the one stitch piece that I have finished. And I went to pick out a frame, and I found this nice lightweight wood frame with glass. So this is what I'm going to try to put together. Okay. Also, while I was there, I found this cute little cloth covered box. It's a little, it looks like it's been sitting somewhere, but it's in fairly good shape, and I thought I would use it to put my orts in. I just think it's gorgeous, and I can stick my needle in it because it's got a poofy top. So I don't know, maybe somebody made this. I thought it was pretty cool. And I found this little metal box. It's still got a piece of tape on it. And it needs to be cleaned, of course. Style is a matter of personal expression. Isn't that the truth? I have to get closer, guys. It says, whether cool and sophisticated or warm and outspoken, we define our own beauty. Brighton introduces a collection of decorative necklaces designed for everyone. Distinctive and fun. Well, I don't care. It has my last initial on it, and I thought it was pretty cool. I will have to get the tape off, of course, but I thought I could put it up here and keep my scissors and needles or whatever I needed in it. I have to stand up now because I can't see what I'm doing because I've got this thing so high. So back to the point. Okay, so I ironed this the best of my ability, and every time I move it, it gets more wrinkles. So I'm going to turn it around, and this is the cardboard. It's really heavy cardboard in there. And I put two little ink dots there. I know I'm not supposed to do that, but you know, it is what it is. And then I had some double-sided tape, so I just ran that down both sides. So we're going to see how this works, okay? And I'm going to, I think this will work. Take all the paper, plastic, whatever it is, and we'll see how this works. And I may have to adjust it. And I've watched a tutorial or two, just a couple, on how to do it this way. Niecy Lynn did it this way. So I'm just going to gently put that there. And gently put that there. I'm going to pull up on it just a bit, and then we're going to look. We're going to look. Is it centered? It needs to come that way a little bit, because here's the edges. It won't be perfect, guys. Whoops. And of course, you can just lift it right off. So I need to come that way just a little bit more. And I also watched, I think it's Country Stitchers. I can't remember what, they're from Pennsylvania. Her and her daughter do a video. I don't think it, oh, that's much better. A little bit better. You can still go, I'm sorry. This is going to be trial and error, guys, so hang in there. I have never done this. So I'm just going to move it just a tad that way. But it's nice that it's not there permanently. I didn't want to use, what do you call that stuff? The hot glue gun, because I wasn't all sure. But there, that's much better. Okay, then we get to the sides. And what I do is just like, get it right there, like a package. We're going to try. Make sure it's down really good. Push it down on both sides. And then I'm going to cut. Oh, I'm using the wrong scissors. What happened to my orange scissors? Oh, here they are. I just cut off a little bit so you don't have so much material there. So fold it in cornerwise. And then I'm going to fold it this way and up. Now I don't know how well, like I said, it's going to be catch as you can. And nobody's going to see the back anyway. Everybody is obsessed with the back. I'm not. Okay, we'll just leave it like that for a second. I think this time I can cut more. I pull it all the way over on that corner. Can you see? I hope. Where is the corner of the... Okay. I have to be able to watch this in the thing. No, no, no. And that way it's semi-tight. I'm not making it super tight. Well, this is going a heck of a lot easier than I thought it would. Then I'm going to cut these down. Just take that little corner off. Fold it up. Now this end is done in. And fold it down. Now we got these little edges. Let's see what it looks like before I do any more cutting and whacking. See, I didn't pull it too tight. Maybe I should have pulled it tighter. What do you think, guys? I think. Whoa. Let's get this where it needs to be. And there's no up or down on this frame. I just want to see if it'll fit in there. It has these little... Hang on, I've got to get rid of some stuff here. I always have stuff. Let's just move that a minute. It has these stupid... What do you call it? Staples there. Let's see if we can get it in there. And down where it needs... Oh yeah, that fit right really well. Alright, let me turn it over. There we go. Now I'm going to go back and I think pull that material just a little bit. I don't know, it kind of gives it that antique-y quick stuff. Sorry. I'm trying to give you light, but of course the crazy thing is not cooperating. There we go. And I was going to put paint on it, but I thought, no, I just like it rustic-ish looking. But I think that's going to be fine. Okay, let's turn that back. Oh, no, no. Just try not to break it. I bought 2 little sake cups. Come on, come out of there a minute. So now we know it's going to fit that away. I'm just going to pull this back just a bit and pull this back. Told you this might take a trial and error, but we're going to give it a little bit of a stretch. See if that made a difference. Turn it around. Stretch it up this way. I think what we're going to do, now that we got this, whoops, of course I have little pieces. I'm going to cut this right here along this edge. I think I was supposed to do that, but I'm not going to go all the way to the outside. I'm just going to leave that little edge and see what happens. Like I said. Because you don't want too much material folded up there. you know? You know what I mean? But we want to also make it lay flat, because there's another part to that, you know, you have to put the side on it. Okay, let me look at it again. Okay. I'm just going to bring that down across. Did you see how I did that? I just folded my little flaps in. May have to cut part of that off. Now, where did I leave? Oh. I have a little bit of this left. And I'm going to cut a strip. So that I can lay it right in there. Whoops. Right in there. So it can hold that. I didn't know how much I was going to need. Come off of there, please. We're going to cut that before we get to that point. Yes, pieces, parts, and stuff. I'm telling you. So I've never done this before, so this is as good as it's going to get, kids. I don't know. You may want to follow these instructions, and you may not want to. But, hey, it is what it is. Like I said, nobody's going to see the back. Okay. Now, I'm going to have to do that again. And that's padded double-face tape. I don't know where I got it. It's a 3M product. Okay, we're just not going to take that off until I get it where it needs to be. Okay, so fold this in. Please, see, this is why I wanted to leave just enough to tuck that in. Tuck it down. And then we got to give it a tug. And then I'm going to fold this down so all them other little things stay there. Not too bad for my first. Just never done this. Excuse me. Molly and I went to the near new shop, see if we could find anything we needed. Let me look and see. Whoops. Well, that's going to be in the frame anyway. So hopefully it won't be too bad. There's a piece of fuzz right there, and I cannot get a hold of it. So how does that look, guys? Does it look okay? Is it straight? At least. Like I said, I wanted it to look rustic. I know I have another piece here. You know, like it fit in a log cabin somewhere, you know? Okay, hang on. Okay. Now let's see what it does. Let me poof it off a little in case there's anything attached I don't see, because you know how my eyesight ain't. Gotta get it to the... Oh, now, come on. You went in there 2 minutes ago. That's why I just despise... Okay, maybe we started from that side. Oh, yes, it works much better, much better. Okay, and we're just gonna bring that down. And I think I'll put a little card in there. So when somebody takes it out, they'll know who I was. And when I finished it, what year, and where I live. Yeah, that's a little bulky, but okay. So how does it look, guys? Did we do okay? Did we do okay for government work? Not government work. For Lora? I'm glad to finally have it taken care of. This is the piece of cardboard. I don't know if I'm going to get it in there or not. So I may have to do something else with that. And I do have some brown paper I can put over the back of it. So we'll go from there. But it turned out okay, I think. I'm not looking down on it, so I don't know, but I think it's fairly straight. It's supposed to look rustic, right? Let me turn that. See. Oh, that does not help. Does not help. Okay, let's go this way and then turn off. No. Okay, never mind. Now that I've made everybody totally sick. I know it's a little crooked, but hey, it's my first attempt. And I may turn that out, but I just thought this frame was perfect for it. So that is how you frame something. Huh. Yeah. Well, that's how I frame something. So we will see. I know it's not perfect for all of us with OCD, but you know, it is what it is. All right, guys. I think that is going to be it. And I'll let you know if I have something else that I need to frame, but I just wanted to do this little extra video today since I had time, because you'll have to wait tomorrow for my other video. But we'll put this one in, and we will see you next time. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. And that way you'll know when my next video comes out. You have a good rest of your, what day is it? Thursday. And we will see you next time. God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye.